Next, after this, we can go for the next file, template 4. In template 4, this navigation will be some different type of navigation. Now you can see when we are scrolling up down, it is getting hide. It's getting hide. So we will make that navigation fixed navigation. It will not scroll up and down. Uh, okay, so navigation is getting hide. We will fix navigation using the property called position. We have a property called position. Using position property, we can fix the position of this navigation. So when you scroll up or down, no problem, your navigation will be fixed. Okay. So for that, create next file. Template 4. Template 4.html we can create. In template 4, we can take copy of 3. Let copy take the copy of 3. So all design wise will be same. Only navigation will fixed. You can take the copy of 3.html, template 3.html. Let's come to the upper portion. You can see we have written for top nav. For top nav is nothing but top nav is pointing to UL tag. Top nav is pointing to a UL tag. And in template 4, we wanted this UL should be fixed. It should not move here and here. So go to the CSS of top nav, and in top nav, write the property called width, not width, position. First position, and then call fixed. Position as a fixed. Once you add the position property, width is required. Else your navigation will become half navigation. Okay. Once you add the position as a fixed, width is required. Else the position will be, width will be half width. According to content, it will take. I will guide you one by one. Static, fixed, sticky top, relative, absolute. How many are there? 5. Today we are learning fixed. Remember the fixed. Okay. Next example, or maybe next example, I'll guide you the sticky. Maybe next example, I'll guide you call static. Okay, but I'll cover all. Last, I'll count also. In position fix, what was happening? Sticky, what was happening? Relative, what happened? And static, what happened? Okay. Keep remembering one by one. In flex, what you saw? While creating the navigation, you follow call display inline. Next, we follow inline block. Difference, you remember? What is the difference? Inline and inline block. I have sent it in the note in the group also. You can read that. Display between inline and inline block. Next, what you wrote called flex. Flex and flex wrap. What is the difference? If you use the flex, width will not work. If you use flex with the wrap, then width property will work. Correct? Till there, remember it. Okay? Or you keep writing the notes also somewhere. Next, after that, what we are saying? Position fixed. Next example, maybe I'll guide you. Position sticky. Come next. So you wrote position fixed. Now after that, write the width 100%. So it should cover now how much? Full width. It will cover the full width. You can see navigation is fixed now. A little difference happened. This content went inside. The reason is your navigation become as a kind of a high index element. High index element in the sense is hanged somewhere. Okay, you can see it look like it's hanging, no? A space should be below, then only content will go inside. Now you have to keep something in such a way where before service and after navigation, it should occupy some space. Okay, maybe padding or maybe margin or anything. Because whenever you write the fixed position fixed, below content will come little inside. How much? Exact how much height is of the navigation, that much will go inside. Same thing is happening here. Now why? Because you can see that for top navigation, the index become high index. What index represent? When I am moving here, you can see navigation is kind of a hanging bridge, correct or not? And the content are going inside. When it's become a hanging kind of element, because their index become high index. Okay, index is nothing but you can consider as a kind of a sequence position. Okay, sequence number 1, 2, 3. Now for this division and all, sequence is 1, and for this UL sequence is 2. So what 2 become high and 1 become low. So 1 will go inside the 2. Correct? Same thing is happening here. What is happening? These all are the low index value element going inside the high index element. So now what we have to do? We have to do something. Let's come to the page. After the UL and before section tag, because section was going inside the UL. So before UL, before section and after UL, you have to do something that should occupy some space so that it should not feel like content is going inside. Let me follow here H1, our services. H1 has huge margin and padding. Okay, so it may help you, it may fit here. In case not fitting, then for H1 we can write padding top something so that it will fit properly. Our service we wrote, it is not visible. I have written in the same file. It is hiding inside, okay, below the navigation, right? No problem. We have solution. Let's go inside the CSS. You can write this one, ID equal to page title, ID equal to page title. Write a CSS for that as page title, padding, margin is not, padding hyphen top, 50px. Let me try once. This came but went to the left side. 100px and text align center. Text align center. Okay. Space is managing here. So in this H2 we have written the padding, right? H2 you have written the padding. There will be better solution. Instead of writing the padding under the H2, padding you should give for a division. Division open and division close. Division open and division close. And the ID you should cut from here and apply for this division. Okay, H2 is a heading tag. Inside padding, if you are giving meaning is H2 is for the single line element, single line output. Now inside that you are saying H2 inside H2 from top leave 100 pixel. That look very odd. Okay, H2 is a small container. Inside you are saying from top you leave 100 pixel, then print something. So better than that, use a big container, that division or section tag anything. And in that you say you leave from top 100 pixel and then start printing something. Now also it should remain same. Okay. If 100 look more, you can reduce little. Getting? Now, this one, I think I'll make 80. This should not be huge space from top. This one is okay. So then we scroll up, navigation will be fixed navigation and content will be going inside. Okay, working. Next now, after this, next file will create. Template 5. Template 4.html should work for all. Okay, going next. Next call. So what are the changes we did that you need to see? One changes we have called page title, right? ID, and below we added this one. It's exact copy of template 3, where we added this section, page title. Let me help you. I should send you in the chat. Page title, and this is the CSS for that. This is the CSS for that. Okay. Next, after that, in nav, what changes we did? In the nav, top nav, we added this 2 line called position, fixed, and width 100%.
Sir, why did you keep H1 under a div? What will be the issue if we directly write?
Without div also, no problem. But for H1, we have written a lot of padding. You saw that. For H1, we will not keep inside the div. You have to write huge padding top. So if you can keep without padding, if you are keeping without division, you have to write the padding for which one? H1 tag, right? If you are not writing padding for H1 tag, then keep inside the division. So both are given the idea. First, what I have written? H2. Then we wrote the CSS for H2. Next, after that, again, we kept inside the division. Now both was working your ways. Whichever you want to use, you can use, both remain same. Create next file, template 5. Template 5.html. In that template 5, we will write one animation. Animation, what will be that? Here we'll create a banner. Service will be same. Service will go down. Before service, at the place of our services, we'll keep a animation. So their photo will keep change. Or maybe you can create where background will get changed. Okay, so let's come to the next template. That you can take the copy of 4. Copy of 4 we can take. In that below service part remains same, footer remains same. And before the template in the beginning, and after the, not before template, before section and after the navigation, you are going to keep the this one we have added, call as a page title, remove that and put another section tag here. And for this section tag, you can write anything. Animated by CSS. Animated by CSS. For this tag, you can write ID equal to banner. ID equal to banner. ID equal to banner. So page title is not required in this file. So you can change to banner. padding convert into 100 px, 100 px, text align center is okay. Then you can change to okay 100 px. It should be before you can write the background hyphen image URL 1.jpg. 1.jpg should be there in current folder. Then after that, the background image you are setting. Now background image should take how much of area? It should take half area or it should take full area. Correct. So before that, you have to write here the width is already 100%. Height you have to write. Assume height we given call 350 pixel or 300. So banner height will be 300, and in that background you are setting one image 1.jpg. There may be chance that your image is small. Maybe 1.jpg is a small 200 by 200, and you are asking that 200 by 200 image to cover how much? Full width. Correct. So it will not take automatically. Image will get repeated. To cover the entire area, if your image is small, it will get repeat. So in that case, we have a property using that you can set the height and width. Okay, so total height, what will be the width? 100%. What become height? Height of the banner. How much you are written? 500. 300 is the height and 100 is the padding. 100 from top, 100 from bottom. So become how much? 500. Okay. So now your image, suppose image is a small image, and image, you are asking the image to cover how much area? Full area. Image will get repeated. Okay, to cover the entire area. How many times repetition is required? Image will get repeat. So we want image should not repeat. Only one image should become either a stretch is also fine, but it should cover the full area, height and width. So you have to write background hyphen size. Background hyphen size. 100% as a height and space 100% as a width. 100% height and 100% width. Okay, then padding this much. After that, text align as a center, font size. Font size 80-90 pixel and check once. The background size we have written 100 by 100 for what purpose? It should take the total height of the banner and total width of the banner. Image should not get repeated. Padding 100 pixel. Should be something like this. Still some padding is required from top because this is moving on the which section? Upper section. Okay, change the color of the text. Suppose my photo is dark. So I'll change the text color as a white. You can check what is your background image. Accordingly, you can change the color. If the background is red, then change to blue. Text as a blue. Image is look like as a white, then change to something green. Cross color. The text should be cross color of your background photo color. Hope ready. So it's look like this. Okay. So image. Now this text has to come in the middle here. So I think this padding you have written padding, right? Padding hyphen top I need to increase. Padding top 150 I should do. Because padding left is not required, text align center is given. Your text will come in the middle. Okay. Only padding you given, so it's taking the space from all the side. Instead of giving a space from all side, increase from top. So how much portion was hiding inside the navigation, that will get make up. And the text should come down little. Padding top, if we give more, see, height is reduced, but the banner came out. The text came out. Height is not reduced. Height is similar only. But what is happening? 70-80 pixel is behind this navigation. Okay. Height is 300, correct? 330, 40 you can give. Then see, it should be okay. Okay. Now it's fine. Now the background is coming is okay. This background should keep change. So through CSS, you created the banner, but again through CSS animation feature, the banner will keep change. Okay, that we'll see in the next class. Now, based on this, what you have studied, what you have done now, in InfoCampus LMS, some CSS assignments are there. Okay, you need to log in and try whichever the possible you can do. Okay, so everyone have a login from there. Everyone have the login access. How to reset the password for LMS. Very good. You can message me in the evening 9 o'clock. Once I log in the server, I'll guide you. What is your password? Evening 9 o'clock only, you can message me in WhatsApp. I'll guide you. Div tag belong to HTML4. Section tag belong to HTML5. Okay, that is a replacement. CSS apply both place, it will give the same output. CSS apply both the place, it will give same output. HTML5 are introduced the tag called section tag. That is a replacement of div tag. Okay. You can use division also, section also. If you write CSS, it will give similar output. Okay, then we can log out. Meeting is also about to end into 3 minutes. Monday, you will log in as usual. We will log in, no need of passcode. Tomorrow is Saturday, right? Saturday or Friday? Tomorrow we will not log in. We'll log in on Monday. So this LMS is there. infocampus.co.in/LMS. If you have no account, please register here. If account you don't have, you can register in this. After that, after registering, you can log in. After registering, you can log in. And then here is the homework assignment. Under the assignment, you will go for the CSS assignment. And this one you can try now. Okay. First set you can try. It is only dividing the page into multiple blocks. Try first set, second set also we can try. Some more thing I'll guide you related to font icon and all. Then you can make it more better. But in this, whichever the photo you feel comfortable, you should do that. Like this you can try, I guess. This you can try. These photos, this photo icon you have not seen still. So whichever the photo is possible from here, you just log in, download it, and then try it. So link I sent you. You need to register in that in case if you don't have account. After that, you need to log in. And after login, go to the CSS assignment. And then this assignment set 1, set 2, spend some time. It will be much helpful. Okay, thank you. You can log out.